Welcome to today's instructional video on solving the quadratic equation x squared minus 21 times x plus 110. In this video, we will walk through a step-by-step process to find the solutions to this equation. Make sure you have a pen and paper handy, and let's get started. To solve the quadratic equation x squared minus 21x plus 110, we first need to alter the expression to factor it. The form we are aiming for is x minus a multiplied by x minus b, where a and b are numbers that satisfy the equation. To find a and b, we need two numbers that multiply to 110 and add up to minus 21. We begin step 2 by searching for the two numbers that will complete our factorization process. Essentially, we need to find two numbers that, when multiplied together, give us 110, and when added together, equal minus 21. Let's examine the pairs of factors of 110. The factor pairs are 1 and 110, 2 and 55, 5 and 22, 10 and 11. Out of these pairs, we need to find the pair that adds up to minus 21 when both numbers are considered with appropriate signs. After evaluating the pairs, we see that minus 11 and minus 10 work for our requirements. This is because minus 11 multiplied by minus 10 equals 110, and minus 11 plus minus 10 equals minus 21. Therefore, we can rewrite the quadratic expression x squared minus 21x plus 110 as x minus 11 multiplied by x minus 10. This is our final step, and we have successfully factored the quadratic equation. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.